Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kim. Today what I'm going to introduce is about the aaedm Toolbox, which currently uploaded on the GitHub. And it's going to be very short because it's open as open sources, so most of the files you can take a look at it. I just give you the just brief summaries regarding that matter, so you just can download it from the GitHub, and then you can try by yourself if you have a capable to running the MATLAB. Okay. So as I said, aaedm Toolbox is available. aaedm Toolbox is available, and then in the GitHub. Okay, in here. And then as you can see in here, this is not showing up here, but these three files, okay, are demos. All right. And then you can see the explanation about with the citation, which I introduced before. And then you can run them by using the some datas which have gathered based on the Korea and the Japan data. So you can even have samples in here, right? So some data set you can take a look at. Okay. So as you can see, first one is about running the kappa. So how the kappa changes make a difference of the total number of prediction in here. So going like this, right? You can see in here. And then this one is about based on the net growth, so daily changes. Okay, so kappa is bigger than number of net growth. It's going to be dramatically decrease. And then this one is to graph to the real data. It's in here. And then kappa is 0.5. It's also around here. It's very, very low in that. Okay. The other one is about similar about the change of zeta. So it's running how the zeta is working. Okay. So similar, right? So it has a quite dramatic changes regarding the changing the zeta. So zeta is a ratio between the increase. Okay. So it's gonna be similar as a second. I mean, it's not same, but similar as a second derivative. All right. You can see that it says changes, and it goes to how it goes. Okay. Okay. See in here, right? And then the other one, the last one is an actual prediction result. So you can see that value functions, and then the days of cycle, kappas, value average kappas, accuracy is 76%. Okay, and then there are several any values. Once you want to take a look at the function, then you can see that help inside. So this one is graph of it. So this one is a real data, okay, and then this one is a predicted data. So for example, if you want to know the help of the aaedm predict, So you can see the help files in here and then how to use it and so forth. So all of the files and toolbox have a help file, so you can see that how it works and then how it looks like and so forth. Okay.